In this example, we're going to take a look at the Nexus, the Google Reader, Nexus 7, and I want to install the Blio Reader app that I can use with the Baker & Taylor Access 360 on this Android device. So I'm going to go to the shop and do a search in my App Store. Open up the search and look for the Blio e-reader. And there's the Blio ebooks. I'm going to go ahead and install that app because I need that application in order to access and read those ebooks I borrow from Access 360 on my Nexus 7. And you can see that it is being installed, and it'll give us a notification up here when that application is done installing. I see the status bar, and it's almost done installing, and once installed I can then go ahead and launch that, and we see it's successfully installed. And now I'm in the Blio application, and the first thing you need to do is create an account. This is a separate account from your library account. It's actually an account with Blio. This is a cloud service, so it manages all of your checkouts through the cloud. I'm going to go ahead and create an account and type in all of my information, and then I will confirm that. And once I confirm, my account is created, and be sure you remember your username, which is actually your email address, and your password. And now that is ready to check out books. With that one-step setup completed of installing the Blio Reader, I've now gone to my public library through my browser on the Nexus 7, which in this case is Chrome, and I've accessed my library, and you see that it brings up the shelf of all of the available books. I need to log in. So here I'll put in my library card and PIN. And I log into my library account, and now I can go ahead and check out those books. So let's look for a book and see what we can do to get it on our Nexus 7. I want to make sure that I can check out a book that's been returned rather than searching through ones that are already checked out. So I just clicked on return, and I'm going to take a look at this book and see if I can check it out. Snow Rabbit, Spring Rabbit, A Book of Changing Seasons. As winter approaches, oops, still copies available 0. So let's go back and see again if we can find a book that we can check out. So look at returned, and let's try a good Curious George title. Alright, there is a copy available here, and I'm going to go ahead and get it in Blio format and check out now. I do have to enter my Blio information to log into my Blio account. And I'm ready to log in to the Blio account. And you see that the book is loading, and I've successfully checked it out, so now I can open my Blio application and get that book. So let's go back to my home screen, load my Blio ebooks, and you see that my books are coming up as loaded. As I access them, it's going to take a little bit to get in. Notice that the 3 that first came in were samples, just to give you an idea, but here's the book I just checked out. So now I can read Curious George 2, Follow That Monkey. And That's what you need to do if you're accessing Access 360 with the Blio Reader using a Google Reader Nexus 7 Android device. How's that for a series of acronyms?